Today we will learn 30 words that start with alphabet B. B for ball. B for bag. B for bee. B for bird. B for big. B for bat. B for boat. B for baby. B for box. B for bed. B for book. B for Ben. B for bike. B for boy. B for bread. B for bus. B for bath. B for bark. B for blue. B for balloon. B for banana. B for bench. B for bowl. B for bones. B for birthday. B for braid. B for brush. B for bank.